welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video, you guys. When I saw this collection, I was like, did they make this for me? Because it's literally has my name written all over it. This is like such a me collection. We're gonna be playing around with the new Colourpop Cherry Crush collection. This is so pretty. I love the colors in here. If you guys have been watching me for any amount of time, you know I love reds and pinks and all those colors, like those tones, eyeshadows, lip product, like everything. So this is like right up my alley. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be playing around with this collection today. I'm gonna be showing you guys the products, doing swatches, a tutorial, and giving you guys my review. I also will include a little swatch comparison next to Strawberry Shake because I do feel like it does look a little, like at first glance it's like, oh, that kind of looks like Strawberry Shake. I do think they look different. I don't think they're the same at all, but I will include some swatches, some swatch comparisons of those as well. So yeah, let's get into it. So this collection is launching on July 1st at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. Codes usually work on like just regular collections, so this should work on it, but I will leave that listed down below for you guys if you guys want to use it. If you do, I really appreciate it. So it's a little bit of a smaller collection, but everything in here is adorable. So the first thing that we got in this package, I don't know if they're gonna be for sale, but they were in the box, are these little cherry clips. I love them. They're so cute and I definitely had to wear them for this video. But yeah, these were in the box. I'm not sure if they will be on the website. I hope they are. But if not, like, I don't know. I just want to show you guys just in case they are. The first actual thing we have in this collection is the Cherry Crush palette in the cardboard 9-pan little palettes, the ones with no mirror. So it does have like a little cherry or big cherry up here, and this is what the inside looks like. Literal perfection. I like gasped when I first saw it. There's like a mixture of like pinks and like some mauvey, like darker plummy colors, purples, pinks, reds. So basically just any kind of like cherry tone. I love this. I feel like this is actually a very good monochromatic palette. That each like little row can also be like a whole look in itself as well. These ones like are a little bit more on like the pinkier side. These are like more on the like red tone side, and then these ones like a little bit more on the darker like plum side. So overall, I think it's a really good palette. There are no pressed glitters in here. It's a mixture of mattes and shimmers. So that is the palette. I mentioned that this entire collection is all vegan, which is super exciting because a lot of times red eyeshadows aren't vegan. So yeah, that's super exciting that this entire collection is all vegan. I will say that on almost every single shade on the back, there is an asterisk next to almost every single eyeshadow except for one, which usually means that they're not technically eye safe. For me, that usually just means that they stain. I have that problem with a lot of red or pink eyeshadows. Sometimes it will irritate some people, but typically like that is usually what they just have to like say that just because of staining, and sometimes it could irritate other people. But I have used them all the time. I've never had any issues with any of the ones that have like asterisks next to them. So then we have in the collection is actually a new product. So we have these new glossy lip stains, and the packaging on these are really, really cute. And this is what the actual component looks like. It's in this cute like square packaging. And they have like a pointed like doe foot applicator. They don't really have like a scent. It kind of just smells like a lip product to me. It doesn't really like have like a fruity scent or anything. You guys know I have pretty sensitive lips. I'm not noticing any issues or anything right now. We have two shades. We have Double Cherry, which is more of like a reddish, just like cherry red color, and then we have Love Bite, which is a little bit more like on the pinky red side. Love Bite is the one that I have on right now. It says, create the perfect cherry stained lip look with our new shades of glossy lip stains. Add the shine of a gloss with the staying power of a lip stain. You've got healthy looking, just bitten lips. I do feel like they feel like they're not going to be moving around, so that's actually really nice, even though they do have a little bit of a shine to them. They're not overly glossy or shiny where I feel like it'll kind of get like everywhere, you know. So we have two new shades of the Cheek Dew Serum Blushes. These are the two shades right here. We have Sour Cherry and Cherryish You. Sour Cherry is the one that I have on right now. It's a little bit more of like a toned down reddish pink kind of blush, and then this one is definitely more of like a brighter cherry pink type of blush color. So those are the two serum blushes. We're getting a lot of these lately. We just had one in the other collection. What was it? The Lush. That one, the one I just reviewed last, we had some in there. So next we have 3 liners in this collection. We have 2 cream gel liners and 1 liquid liner. The liquid liner is an existing shade. It is just the shade Graceland. It's the white one. I feel like this is just, a lot of people have already tried this before. I like it. I wish they did like a more cherry red liquid liner. That would have been really cute, but they just included Graceland in here, which is cute. Yeah, so if you haven't tried Graceline yet, you can get it in like this cute little cherry packaging. The actual like liquid liner itself is just like the typical packaging, so but the box has the cute cherries on there, so or if you need like a restock, I don't know. But we have some cream gel liners in here, which you guys know are my favorites. They are one of my favorite products from Colourpop, and I was so excited for these because they are like pink and red liners, which if you guys know are my favorite kind of liners to wear. I absolutely love red eyeliners. So we have Cherry Pie and Jubilee. Cherry Pie is a true cherry red eyeliner. It is very vibrant. It is so pretty. I love this so much. And I was so excited to see this in the collection. And then we also have Jubilee, which is a little bit more on the fuchsia side. So both of these I think fit very well in this collection, and those are the two cream gel liners. And last but not least, I feel like a lot of people are going to be super excited about this, and I love that they've been including these in collections lately, and that is the hand mirror. And this one is super cute. Cute little red handheld mirror. It is like a soft like matte, is that what it's called? Soft matte kind of feeling. And it has a cherry on here, and it's like a nice actual size to see my entire face in there. The mirror's really nice. That is the hand mirror in here, and it comes in a cute box. Guys, that is everything in this collection. I'm so excited for it. This is a look that I came up with today using the collection. Like I said, this does launch on July 1st at 10 a.m. PST. I will link everything and all the info down below for you guys. Also put my code down below for you guys too if you want to use it. You don't have to, but if you do, I really appreciate it. So anyways, this is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, you guys know I love these colors, so this is like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this color right here called Cerise. I don't know. I always say everything wrong. Everyone always makes fun of me. This color. It's like a really cute like strawberry pink shade. And I'm gonna start putting this in my crease. Oh wow, these are really pigmented. I barely took anything. I tapped my brush into it like one time with a little bit because I didn't want to like take too much, and it's seriously super pigmented. So I'm super impressed with this shade so far. I'm gonna go in one more time and just kind of build that up. Okay, we're gonna take Black Cherry next, which is this shade. I'm so excited. I love these colors so much. I'm taking like a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm gonna put this in like the outer corner and then into my crease. I'm gonna pack this on. Love this. This is like a true cherry shade, which I'm obsessed. I'm actually gonna put this all over the lid because I love it so much. So I'm just taking that on the lid and into the crease. I love this. You guys know, like, these are my favorite color eyeshadows, so this is like my everything. On, and then I'm just also tapping that up towards the crease, and just to keep everything nice and blended, I'm gonna go back with the brush that I was using before to just blend the edges out. But everything's blending super nicely, and sometimes I get a little scared. Sometimes red eyeshadows don't blend like the greatest, but this is blending out perfectly. If you guys have been following me for a long time, you know like a look like this is pretty much like it used to be like one of my go-to looks, so I'm very, very impressed. Take like a tiny bit of Take a Bite, which is this deeper like plummy purple shade, and I'm going to take this just on the outer corner to deepen it up a little bit. I don't want to take too much though. I think I am going to take a shimmer. I didn't want to. I don't know. I don't really want to take a shimmer, but I also want to use them. I'm going to take Juicy Juicy, this shade. I'm going to just tap a little bit of that on top of the lid. I'm not going to take too much because I really do like the look of like a matte red look. But I do want to take a little bit. Cute. I'm going to go back a little bit with this brush again just to blend everything out. Go ahead and do my foundation really quick and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and just did my foundation and bronzer really quick. I'm just wearing the Pretty Fresh foundation. So for cheeks, I'm going to be using the Cheek Dew, one of them from the collection. I'm going to use Sour Cherry. I think this one is a little bit more, between the two I like this one a little bit more. The other one's like a little bit brighter, but we'll see how this one looks. I feel like we're getting a lot of these. We just got some in the other collection too. This is what it looks like, and like I've mentioned before, I use a stippling brush for these. I use the Colourpop F9 brush for this. So what I do is I just take some on the back of my hand and kind of just like swirl it around. I just find I get a better application that way, and then I just like stipple it on. So I'm just gonna take a little bit at a time because these are really pigmented. So, oh, that's cute. Okay, this is pretty bright, but I'm gonna tone it down a little bit once I blend it out. I'm gonna take a little bit on top of my nose as well. Tone that down a little bit just with my like sponge. I'm gonna go over it with like whatever was left on my sponge from foundation, just so it's a little bit toned down. And then I also just take the brush that I set my under eyes with. I kind of just take a little bit of powder and just kind of go over the edge right here, because I feel like I mentioned this before. I mentioned this in my last video, but I always feel like it doesn't blend like really well under my eyes, like in this area right here. So I kind of just have to take some powder and kind of just finesse it a little bit. I really like how that looks. Its color is actually really pretty. For liners, so I thought that the liquid liner was going to be red, but it's actually Graceland. And if you haven't tried Graceland before, it's just the white eyeliner. Don't really want that for the look for today, so I'm just going to use the cream gel liners. We have two of them. We have Jubilee and Cherry Pie. And I think I'm going to use Cherry Pie. I love red eyeliner, so I'm going to put this in my waterline. I love this. If you guys have watched any of my other videos, there's like two other cream gel liners that are red. We have the darker burgundy one that I really like. That one came out with the wine collection, I think. Can't remember, but there is a darker one. I can't remember the name. But that's the one that I use a lot. I think it's called Joyride. Joyride, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And there's also like a little bit of a brighter red one. This one is definitely a cherry red. It's definitely different than the other ones. I love this. It's super vibrant on the eyes too. It doesn't look too dark or too, I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't look, sometimes like the red ones can be a little dark and it almost kind of looks like a darker, like almost black sometimes, but this one is like the perfect cherry red eyeliner. People don't like red eyeliner. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite color eyeliner to wear. It's pretty vibrant, so I'm super happy with that. The other one in here is like a little bit more of a pinker, like a little bit more on the like fuchsia side. I like that one too, but this one, if you like red eyeliner, definitely pick this up. On to the lower lash line, just finish this look up. I'm gonna go ahead and take Black Cherry with a little bit of Take a Bite. I'm gonna mix the two and just put that on my lower lash line. And I am going to be smoking this out a lot because I love doing that with red eyeshadow. You guys know, no surprise here. I love really, really blowing out my lower lash line, especially if I'm wearing red tones. Do this, obviously this is like not going to be everyone's cup of tea. I love the way that this looks, so. And I am going to take a clean brush and just going to go over the edge just to make sure everything's like nice and blended. Use the palette, the blushes, the eyeliners. All we have left is lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do my mascara, lashes, contour my nose, bake a little bit, and then we'll come back and finish off this look with the lip stains, which I'm so excited. This is a new product, so I'll be right back. So I just went ahead and put on my lashes, and I'm baking a little bit right now. I love this look so much. Okay, so we have the new glossy lip stains, which I'm super excited for. We have Love Bite and Double Cherry. I kind of want to do Love Bite, but let me see what Double Cherry looks like again. I'm going to go with Love Bite and see what that one looks like. So let's see what the texture is like. They don't really have a scent, but they do have like a little pointed doe foot applicator. So let's, okay, these were more pigmented than I thought. Oh, these are cute. I love these. They're very liquidy. They're definitely more pigmented than I thought. They are a glossy lip stain, so you might need to wear a lip liner with it. I'm not going to because I don't really care. They do have like a little, they're not super, super glossy, which is nice. Like I think this actually looks really pretty. It does kind of look like you just were eating some like cherries or something. Nice on the lips, like they don't feel drying or anything. Some lip stains can feel a little drying. This one doesn't feel sticky or anything. yeah, so far I like it. I think they feel pretty nice. This is the finished look. I am obsessed. I absolutely 1000% love this collection. I knew I was gonna like it, honestly, just from seeing the pictures and everything. This collection is just right up my alley. I absolutely love these colors. I love cherry colors, cherry reds, pinks, all that. So like, honestly, I'm not surprised that I love this collection so much. Everything in this collection is chef's kiss. Absolutely 1000%. If you like these tones and everything, pick up the entire collection. I feel like I haven't said that in a really long time about any collection. I love every single thing in here. Every single thing. The palette, the liners, except for like the liquid liner because it's white. But if you like white liner, Graceland is a good liquid liner that's white. The palette, the liners, the cheek dews, they're really, really pretty. I love the colors of them and they fit the collection perfectly. The lip stains, I love. They're super, super comfortable and I feel like they look really nice on the lips. They're really comfy and they do look like a little bit of a stain, but they do have more pigmentation, which I'm really happy about. And they do have like this really nice gloss without it looking like it's going to be messy, or like if you're like eating or something, I don't feel like it would get like all over the place, you know? I absolutely 1000% love everything in this collection. The little handheld mirror is super cute. I don't know if they're selling these clips, but if they are, they're cute, like just for the look. I love it 1000%. This is honestly one of my favorite collections that Colourpop has come out with in a long time. Palette does remind me a lot of Strawberry Shake, but if you guys know, Strawberry Shake is like actually one of my like top 5 favorite palettes of all time from Colourpop. I actually feel like I like this palette more. Strawberry Shake is a little bit lighter. There's a little bit more like, you know, peachy tones, like lighter pinks in here, where I feel like this is like what I wanted Strawberry Shake to look like. This palette is perfection. If I were to come out with a palette myself, it would have looked just like this. This is like actually me in a palette, so I love this so much. I cannot say enough good things about this entire collection. Like, I feel like when I saw this, I was like, that is actually, has my name literally written all over it. The palette, the liners, the lip products, I'm obsessed. I literally love this collection so much. Like me and you like love these tones, you need it. Do not sleep on this collection. It's honestly one of my favorites that Colourpop has done in a long time, and I don't think I've really said you need everything in the collection in like a long time. So I love this, and this is the perfect transition palette for me, at least, into fall. I love red eyeshadow so much, so this is perfect. I love it. Definitely recommend. So leave me a comment down below if you guys are going to pick anything up. You should, but leave me a comment. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.